Cool Trains in Montreal. I'm here in Dorval, and this is a CN Westbound. So it's Saturday evening around 6:30 p.m. on May 28th, 2022. So behind me there is the airport. There will probably be a lot of planes. And I got the ramp here on Fenelon Street behind me. And this here is the location of the CN, I think it's a CN West crossover. So this is Dorval West crossover, I'd say. This is a pretty good location, except now you can't see the CP trains. So if you come here, you're pretty much resigned to only seeing the CN trains. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.